Okay, I'm Dr. Paul, and we just finished up our personal injury attorney educational sales workshop. And again, it's the most lucrative marketing you can do as a chiropractor. It's a workshop, so it's hands-on, you have to do it, and it's educational sales, not advertising or publicity. So first of all, let me just ask you off the top. You've been in practice how long? This is Dr. Jeff.
Yeah, 19 years.
19 years. Dr. Jeff's pretty successful. You got 1 or 2 associates.
Yep.
Okay. So you know a little bit about what you're doing. So 19 years. So off the top, how was the workshop?
It's great.
Okay.
It was really good.
Now, in the last 19 years, you've probably been to a few seminars, right?
Sure.
So where would you rate this seminar relative to the other seminars?
Well, it was by far the best personal injury seminar I've ever been to.
Yeah. In other words, we went into pretty good detail, didn't we?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Now, we explained the difference between publicity, advertising, and educational sales, didn't we?
Right.
You now know why advertising and publicity does not work, don't you?
Yes.
But you also know why you have to use educational sales to get the referrals, and you now know why it works real well.
Absolutely.
Okay? Can you see why, and as an example I was sharing is, can you see how, because you just experienced it this weekend, can you now see how I gave 7 presentations last year, signed up over 100 attorneys to refer the clients to our offices, creating over $20 million, and it was from this material. Can you see? Now you know how, and you can see it, can't you?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. And then what would you recommend to somebody who is wanting to increase their personal injury practice or to get more referrals from attorneys? What would you recommend?
Well, I like the seminar because that's exactly what it would do. I mean, it would take a person who wanted to increase their personal injury, and it teaches them from the beginning exactly how to do it, step by step, going through role playing, and you could see where you could take this stuff and just go as high as you want.
Now, let me be specific. We covered documentation specifically, didn't we? I mean, how detailed are we in the documentation?
Extremely detailed.
Okay. And we covered marketing in great detail, don't we? Watch this. What happens now if you know documentation, but you don't know educational sales?
Yeah, it wouldn't go very well.
Are you, right?
Right.
What happens if you know the educational sales, but you don't know the documentation? What will happen?
Not much.
In other words, you can initially get the business started, but can you see
Yeah.
how quickly you'll lose it?
Right.
Can you see how it's a 1-2 punch? You have to know the documentation, and then that's what give it the marketing or the educational sales. You can see that now,
Oh,
right?
for sure.
Unbelievably specific.
Yep, absolutely.
All right, thanks a lot.